Hi everyone. So today we're gonna start about the most important topic, that is pivot table. What is pivot table and why it is being used in Excel? So pivot table is basically a table, where you have large data set. You can use the pivot table to summarize and have some meaningful information out of the table. For example, as of now, if looking at this particular table that is in front of you, if you would like to understand which particular region you have the most total value of orders received, so you probably will need to go region wise and then select on these things. However, for example, region wise, if you would like to see what are for central, then you will select this and then you will check the total value, then you will report it out. However, the pivot table can help you in one go by knowing all of these important information that you would like to know. So straight away going on to the topic, how we can use this, how we can insert. Simply, you can go to the insert tab. You can click on this pivot table option from table. It will give you the table range. You can select from the top, control shift down, control shift right. It will select the entire range where you want to put a pivot table. Click enter. It will be insert into the new sheet for you. Now if you would like to know that regional level, what was the total amount of sale that I had. So there are, you can see in pivot table there can be four options: filters, columns, rows and value. So if you select any, for example, I would like to see for region, so if I select this and drag this region option to rows option, it will place it like this. All the regions, there were total 3 regions in the table, that will be placed like this in the rows. And if I would like to know what was the total amount that was there, so you can select the total to the values. It will give you the total amount, the sum of total of orders that we had in each regions. So this is the meaningful information that you have. Now similarly, if you would like to see maybe the date as well, in which particular year all of these orders were received, then you can maybe move this order date to column option, and then it will give you the date wise as well. Like in 2026 you had from central region you have 3833 worth of orders, and 2027 it was 7305. So it is a meaningful information for the management to take decisions, and the basis upon that they can further decide what needs to be happened. So you can use the pivot tables. This was a quick tutorial for pivot table, how you can place it. Maybe you can, to show it more in a more better way, you can simply put borders as well over here. If you would like to check for the month wise, then you can click on this as well. It will show you the quarter level. If you would like to check monthly level, it will show you at this level as well. Okay. Similarly, there are some important other fields as well. For example, currently it is showing a grand total. So here, if you go in this particular field, it is saying sum of total. You can set this field as well. For example, I would like to see what was the average. So I'll go into the value field setting. I will select what was the average of these total. So these were the average that we had received in the entire year. Okay. So similarly, you can use this and explore other options as well in pivot table. That would be really helpful while making business decisions. Okay. Hope you liked the video. If you would like to have a detailed tutorial on this pivot table, please comment on this video and I'll definitely post a detailed 1 hour video for pivot tables. Thank you so much.